Call me Harley Quinn. Ryder Rooney. Give me some sugar, baby. Okay.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's the costume that I have. I got this from Amy Clubwear. It is the sexy Jester costume. It reminded me a lot of Harley Quinn, which is what inspired this look. It's very stretchy. I wish I would have gotten a size down because I feel like it's a lot of fabric, but it is very, very comfortable and easy to maneuver in, so I like it a lot. I just wish that I got a size that was a little bit smaller and fit my body. Believe it or not, this costume was under $30, so if you're looking for something super affordable, go check them out. I'll leave a link down below. Here I am, back like I never left. What's up? Start by priming my face with the No Problem primer. I got this from Sephora. It's one of my favorite primers right now, and I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation as my base. And I'm just using a BH Cosmetic brush, buffer brush, to blend that out all over my face. I really, really like this foundation. It's very buildable and it can be full coverage easy. Look at that. Look how my skin look. It looks so good. But yeah, I blended it all out and now we're here and we're about to move on to the concealer. The concealer I'm using is the Tarte Shape Tape. Ooh, that color was a little bit bright, but it actually worked out for me. I'm really bad about highlight colors. I always think that the ones I use are too bright, but I'm going to blend this out and it's going to look bomb. And we're wearing a mask today, so it's like, you know, it ain't that deep. Next, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way ethereal powder, and I'm going to set my whole face with it. I first started with setting my under eye concealer, and then I'm just going to put it all over my face. It made my face look very, very silky and even and smooth, so I'm loving this powder so far. I actually bought this in my Ulta haul. If you have not seen this, I will put a card up above for you guys to check it out. So yeah, I'm just going to put that all over my face with my Morphe brush. Look at that. Beautiful. Here's the mask that I bought. I actually got this from Party City. It did not come with the costume, but I wanted something else to accentuate the costume, so I went and bought this from Party City. It's really cute. You know, playful, Halloweenish. All right, I'm going to use my box of crayons palette, and I'm going to go into this black color, and I'm going to put that on my waterline, and I'm going to smoke it out. So I use this angled brush to place it on my waterline, basically to make it a little bit not as messy, I guess. That's why I use the angle brush, although boom, messed it up anyway. Really, yes, it happened. All right, so I'm gonna finish it and then I'm gonna go in with another brush and smoke it out so it won't look so bold, and it all like, so it'll be like more of a smoky look. Now I'm going in to make liner, like a wing liner with this same eyeshadow. Thought it would be a cute look to do under the mask, and I honestly liked the way it turned out, and it wasn't that hard, especially with this angle brush. Much easier actually than eyeliner to me. Alright, so I took the inner corner part and I just drug it down at an angle to extend the liner, basically. I don't know, I just really like the look that it portrays, and I think it'll look cute inside the mask. Alright, so I'm going in with my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lippy in the shade Friday, which is a black lipstick, and I'm putting that only on the bottom lip. Black lipsticks are kind of messy, so feel free to line your lips with a black eyeliner if you need to make it like a little less painful. Alright, I'm going in with my Carity lipstick up here up top. It is a bright red color. I can't remember the name of it, but I will put it in the description box. So I'll have the top lip will be red and the bottom lip will be black. I thought that would be a neat idea to do for this look. And there's a zoomed in version of it, yes, but it's a little shiny. I want to madden it up, so I'm going to use that same box of crayons palette and go over the red with the shade red and go over the black with the shade black, and boom, we're gonna have some matte lips. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. Simple. And I, of course, apply like my highlighter. Other than that, I didn't do anything else. That's basically the finished look. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.